So I'm working on the 524 here, repowered with the 12 horsepower. Putting on the new shifter, PTO shifter linkage. So that way I can actually engage the PTO from up at the handlebars and not come down here like an owl. So I'm not going to show you guys doing this, but I'll show you guys the finished result. And this is actually linkage off of 400, but it'll work. It'll work. I can honestly say this is a new one. I was over there working on the 524 and I heard something. I don't know if the camera's going to focus or not. That is a damn possum. Possum? How in the flying hell did you get in my barn? I knew I heard something in here the other night. I knew I did. The only thing I can think of must be coming in underneath that door. Okay, so now I got that to deal with. I did get the PTO linkage on, by the way. Ended up, I was looking around for this plate, and I found a walk behind setup. So this tractor here is pretty nice, so I'd like not to MacGyver it too much. So I'm going to do that and deal with that. I don't know how I'm going to deal with that yet. This is fairly simple. That's going to make life entertaining. Because if I can chase it out of here and then keep putting the board in front of this door every night, should work, right? Right. Okay, let me deal with this. Alrighty guys, I'm going to try and stay out of the light here. But as you can see, I got the rod put in. It's the only nice and shiny thing. It's kind of highlighted. Also got the bracket put in there that it rubs on to engage it. It's down through there. Got all the bracketry. Got the pin on the bottom. I even had a shifter grip. So let me demonstrate. So I can now remotely engage the PTO on the 524. I can't remember what year this thing is. Is this a 76? 70, 75, 76, one of the two. I don't remember. I'm gonna have to start sharpieing what year they are under the hood or something. But yeah. So anyhow, that's it for the 524 right now. I don't really have a reason to put gas in this thing. I probably will put gas in this thing and start it. I try and start everything I can at least once a year, and this is sitting here in the building. It's not like it's far away or anything. I'm going to move a bunch of stuff, so all I got to do is scoot the 432 back with the power broom, and I can attempt to start it. So, alright guys, thanks for watching. Catch everybody in the next one. Later. Maybe this will make it into stuff that wasn't enough for a vid. I'll see what happens. Later.